Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both phones so the transfer won't fail. You charge devices to at least 50% and join the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Smart Switch on both. Make sure you grant storage and contacts permissions when prompted so data can move. Choose cable transfer for speed or wireless for convenience. If you pick cable, plug it in now and set one device as sender and the other as receiver. This first step gets the session started reliably. You continue by selecting exactly what to move and why each item matters. Tap sender on your old phone and receiver on the new phone. Once connected, review categories like contacts, messages, photos, apps, and settings. Make intentional choices. Deselect bulky videos or unneeded apps to save time. If you need specific folders, expand photos and choose albums. Once selection is set, confirm and start the transfer. Smart Switch shows progress and estimates. You finish by ensuring the transfer completed and your data works on the new device. Wait for progress to reach 100%, keeping both phones connected and the screens awake. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. Then verify critical items, open contacts, check recent messages, browse photos, and confirm app logins. If something didn't transfer, clear the Smart Switch cache, restart both devices, and retry. Alternatively, switch to the cable method as a reliable fallback and run the process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.